Hi guys, it's me, friends, and I'm in my room because and I'm filming myself because I'm bored. And um I'm going outside to play with Jean, my dog. Our dog, I mean. Yeah. Wait. Here we go. Jean is right here waiting for me. Wait. Hey Jeanie Piggy! Yay! You messed up with the wrong person. Here, come here, Jean. Oh, come on. Wait a minute. So guys, I'm back and Jean is in trouble because, yeah, because there's a chair in here, so she cannot go in that, in there. So I put it right here so she cannot go in there. So she cannot go there. Yeah, but she jumped only and passed right here and go there. Yeah, you're in trouble. Mm-mm. So yeah, that's what I'm doing when I'm bored. When I'm bored. Oh yeah, I will I am going to play volleyball with myself. I am I'm going to play with the wall. Yeah. I'm gonna put this right here so I can play. No one's doing that. Lulu, you're in trouble. Wait. Ah, I did it. I did 20. Oh. My arms hurt. If you can see, it's all red. I don't think you can see it. You can see. But it's so red. So red. Tomorrow is a very special day because my sister will graduate. Is going to graduate tomorrow, and we're going to eat. I don't know. I think it is a surprise, but it is so very special day tomorrow. Yeah. Wait a minute. I am just going to get a snack. So I'm back with my snack, and as you can see, you cannot see me because
I'm in here. Hello. Okay, yeah. I'm fixing the camera. Okay. Oh, I'm not good at this. Camera. I'm fixing my phone. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Wait a minute. Yeah, I'm back.
I'm right here. And I am I'm gonna watch the TV again. Yeah. And I'm gonna eat my snack again. Always as always.
Okay. Wait again. So,
I decided to put the camera. Oh, come on. The camera in here. So, so you can see Jean and me. And I'm gonna watch the TV, which is I can speak how. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice. What the? I'm gonna watch it now with my snack. I'm waiting because it's loading. Hey Jean, what are you doing? It's time for
see, I think see you guys later after I watch the video or after I eat my snack. So, see you guys after that. Okay, I I am not if I am not hey Jean. I am I am not eating. No, I am not eating today. I'm I'm still not eating because I decided to stop the I decided to stop the camera my I decided to stop filming myself today because after I eat my snack and after I finish to watch this video, me and Jean are gonna play, so I'm gonna get. So I decided to um oh I forgot it. Oh okay. I decided to stop filming myself today. So it's time for the question of the day. The question of the day is, what are you doing when you're bored? Me, um, sometimes I watch TV, sometimes I sleep. No, sometimes I watch TV, sometimes I play in the computer, or sometimes I play with my dogs. Yeah. So, comment down below because we wanna know your answer for our question of the. Oh, come on! I forgot it. So don't forget to don't forget to comment down below because we want to know your answer for our question of the day. And the question of the day is, what are you doing when you're bored? Yeah. So I am gonna watch the daily. Yeah. So bye. See you. See. Oh. See See
Are
you
you
guys
ready to go?
tomorrow.
We're gonna miss
I
you,
forgot.
don't you?
Oh, I think.
I forgot.
Oh, come on. See you guys tomorrow.
You're waiting?
Bye.
Give her a big kiss goodbye.